Right here.
Right here, honey. That's
What's
a chair
that?
for you.
What?
Anna. Right there. What's that?
The bottom of the balloon.
Anna. What is this?
Is that a chair, honey?
Yeah.
Come sit down.
Oh,
It's a giraffe.
It's a beanbag giraffe. You want to sit on it?
What? Guess I will open my.
Do you want to try out your chair? Do you want? Will you come at least sit on it, Anna?
Why don't we bring it in the living room and you can sit on this open gift?
Yeah, good idea.
Come on, you can sit on it to open your gifts. You can be the little princess, okay? Okay.
Do you like it? How old are you, Sweetie Pie, today?
2.
No. How old
How
are
old
you?
are you?
3.
Yeah.